Our keywords today are amazing, very surprising, caterpillar, small worm-like animal that turns into a butterfly, milkweed, a plant having milky sap, monarch butterfly, large butterfly with orange wings and black and white markings, pupa, the stage before the adult butterfly comes out. We're going to watch this video about amazing animals.
And now, it's time for some more amazing animals! Number 49, the amazing monarch butterfly. These lovely orange, black and white creatures do absolutely incredible things. Found in North, Central and South America and a few other places in the world, the monarch butterfly starts life by being born on a milkweed leaf. They quickly fatten up to become colourful caterpillars, and it's not long till they start the incredible transformation from pupa into something really rather magical. Wing Commander Schmetterling ready for takeoff! In only a matter of hours, the monarch is ready to fly. I'm free! From baby egg to butterfly in just around a month, it's one of the most startling transformations of the whole animal kingdom. The monarch butterfly can travel thousands of miles. And when the wind is right, even to Great Britain.
Welcome to Great Britain.
Some of the journeys are so long, only the butterfly's grandchildren get to make it home, sometimes resting in the same tree as their grandparents before them.
There's some space on this branch, Keith.
Oh, great, man. Everyone is here. The monarch butterfly certainly deserves to be called an amazing animal.
Pretty cool information there. On this slide, you are going to read this short passage about monarch butterflies. Here you are going to write, type, or click the correct word from the word bank to complete each sentence. So we have amazing, caterpillars, milkweed, monarch, and pupa. Here you are going to sequence the order of what happened first, second, and last, going through the butterfly's life cycle. So you're going to use the keywords caterpillar, pupa, monarch, and changes. Here you're going to follow the directions given in the box. Insert an image of your butterfly in this box. Use a picture, list, or sentence to describe your butterfly's habitat. Make a list of 3 to 5 facts about your topic, which is butterflies. And if your butterfly could talk, what would it say? And lastly, we have our free page. Again, this is what you can do on your free time. We have how to draw a monarch butterfly, Robots by Hummingbird, My Animal Friends Butterfly, Butterfly Song.